Apple versus Samsung. The rivalry is back, and this time it's bigger than ever. On one side, the all-new iPhone 17, sleek, powerful, premium and packed with Apple's latest innovation, and on the other side, Samsung Galaxy S25, loaded with Galaxy AI, insane cameras, powerful performance and features that look straight out of the future. If we closely look at the display of both the devices, they are similarly sized. Whereas iPhone 17 comes with 6.3 inches, S25 comes with 6.2 inches. iPhone 17 delivers an incredibly smooth and color-accurate display with excellent brightness, making movies and video look clean, natural and premium. But Samsung has always been a king in display technology, and that S25 proves that once again. With its vibrant AMOLED panel, deeper blacks, punchier colors and stunning HDR playback, watching Netflix or YouTube on both iPhone and S25 looks very gorgeous. One cannot differentiate the quality, but I think iPhone 17 is brighter than S25. As you can see here, brightness level on S25 is full, but on iPhone 17 you can see that yet there are scope of brightness increase. So I think iPhone 17 is brighter, but you cannot notice any difference in terms of quality. You will definitely enjoy watching HDR content on both the devices, so if you choose any one of these two devices for video consumption, you will not be disappointed. Now let's talk about the camera, and this is where the real flagship battle begins. iPhone 17 is known for delivering natural colors, excellent video quality, and one of the most reliable camera experiences for social media creators. But Samsung is bringing some serious competition with the S25. From ultra detailed photos and crazy zoom capabilities to powerful AI image processing, Samsung wants to impress you with every shot. Samsung Galaxy S25 can naturally zoom up to 30x as it has telephoto lens, so this is an added advantage with S25. But you cannot zoom on iPhone 17 as it has no telephoto lens. Even in case of videography, the phone can shoot up to 8K 30 fps, but I tried some footages on 4K 60 fps in HDR mode and the footages come out very nice. These are some images taken from Samsung Galaxy S25. In that case, you can see that the dynamic range is excellent and the colors do not pop out. Natural colors, you can see there is little bit of saturation although, but the final output is excellent, I would say. So there is no problem in photography. It can take very good quality photos. Even on iPhone 17 you can take very good quality photos. Camera performance from iPhone 17 is very consistent. Photos taken from iPhone 17's camera seem to be a little bit warmer tone. However, the details are very good. These are some samples taken from iPhone 17's camera. In these shots you can see that the dynamic range is excellent and the colors are also looking great. There is no added saturation, true to nature color you can see in these photos. Even in terms of videography, there is no one in this competition because iPhone is best in terms of video stabilization and the quality actually come out very good. So in the conclusion, if you want a compact smartphone, in that case you can consider either S25 or iPhone 17. But if your priority is AI, in that case you should definitely consider Samsung Galaxy S25 because it has many AI features which iPhone 17 doesn't have. But if you want video editing and videography, in that case you should definitely consider iPhone 17. Now let me know in the comment sections below which smartphone you have bought or you want to buy in the upcoming sale. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.